Guess who's back? Your girl, Crystal Real Nesta. And today, because y'all know how I like to do it, and today, I got something else new for y'all. So I'm sitting here, I was thinking to myself, what can I bring to people that they don't already have from the Real Nestas? Bam! Got a new gadget, y'all. Y'all know how excited we get when we get something new. So this is the Samurai 360. Yes, today we are going to be unboxing and trying out the Samurai 360. Let's get to it. So, Samurai 360. Y'all probably get asking why I'm doing that. It's just funny to me. They're like 360. That means it keep going and going. But anyway. So they say this knife includes in this package Samurai. Let me see that. A stand. That's that. Pastry blade. So 2 blades. That's what they say. This knife, the knife that rolls. Meet your new favorite kitchen tool. Well, we'll be the judge of that. It's an as seen on TV product, if you guys haven't guessed, because y'all know how we like to do it. We like to go out and find these things and see what we could do with them. So on here, they showing it's slicing, I think that's cucumbers, that's cutting chicken. Oh, I got some chicken to cut. I didn't take it out, but I could do that. We got some mincing, some chopping. And then they said blade locking tabs on both sides. So that I guess once you get the blade to where you need it to be, you know what I mean? We're going to find out. Brake secures blade for easy chopping. Perfect for right or left hand design. So it doesn't matter what, whether you right hand or left hand, we can do this. And then they got our general safety tips. But let's get to it. Well, I don't know why I was about to say why they make these packages so difficult, but we do know why they make these packages so difficult. Let me see. Gotta be rough. How many of y'all remember that song? I rock rough and tough with my afro foot. Hey, rock on with your bad self. I gotta be entertaining, guys. I gotta sing to y'all. They should have an easy appeal. Alright, guys. So, after we get the back off of here, we have product disclaimer and warnings. Warning, warning, warning. That's what they say. The recommendations and suggestions regarding your product application and use that offered for the Samurai 360. Okay, we don't never really do that stuff, right? Then this here, the knife that rolls. Cut an apple, a tomato, or other fruit or vegetable in half. Take the half and lay flat down. Roll the knife back and forth to cut into slices or wedges as desired. So the instructions you would think is simple enough. And then they have them in Espanol. I think I said that right. Who knows? This right here is the attachment instructions. It says, please read instruction carefully before using your Samurai 360. I don't know. It's telling you all the different ways. This is very complicated. I hope once you put it together, that's all you need to do. It's very, very complicated. Okay, for a knife, that's my trusty scissors. I don't have a grandpa knife like my husband. I got trusty scissors. Hint. No grandma knife. You know, he always walk around here bragging about, I got my grandpa knife. I got my grandpa. Anyway, I don't know. That's one piece. I better pay attention because this looks complicated, guys. So, it's coming out on a stand. And the blade is already in. So we did rinse the blade. I put it back in this little holder. And we did a little research and we found out this is actually the poultry blade, which is very interesting. It's like a hard piece of plastic. And they use the blade cover, which goes here. So, we could read all these directions or we could just get to it. I'm going to move this there. Let me make sure I just locked it right first. So, you got to lock it. Pull it out of here. Is this a lock? I think that's the lock. But I can't tell if it's locked or unlocked. The handle feels good, to tell you guys that. It feels like you can hold it this way. Yep, it's a little grippy on the inside. Your thumb goes right there, so that does feel actually pretty good. Slide the orange locking tabs down and slide the handle in piece A and B inward. A and B inward. What they? This one? Oh, that's doing something, guys.
That's how you take the blade out.
Oh.
Don't cut yourself. You get ready to use it, so you might as well leave it in.
Oh. This is a contraction. Alright, get that back on there. Alright, we got that back on there. So now we know how to take this joker out. Let's lock this back. Like I said, it does feel good. Remove the blade from the, okay, yeah, you're right. Assembly. Unlock. Orange blade cover. Countertop stand. Alright, let's just get to it. So, we have, ooh, my poor trusty carrots. Don't laugh at my carrots, y'all. I didn't scrape them. I figured we just gonna go rogue on this thing. We got some nice thick green peppers here. Cucumber. Yeah, we had issues. We only bought one cucumber. Don't talk about a cucumber. And an apple. So, according to this, oh, no, not that instruction. You know it's a problem when the knife comes with instructions, right? Okay. So, I didn't get no tomatoes, but cut the apple, tomato, or other fruit or vegetable in half. So, according to them, I should just be able to do this. Okay, it's in half. Woo! Then you can take the half and lay it flat down. Take knife back and forth. Okay. I feel like I am. Calm down. You know you want to get some. I think the hubby want to get some. Okay, that's not bad, you guys. Okay. Go sleep. Yeah, that's nice. That's a good slicer. Gotta watch your fingers though. They not gonna be even because you're gonna be scared of chopping up your fingers. But that's that. That worked pretty well. That's my apple slice. That looked pretty good to me. That was pretty easy enough. I'm gonna wipe my blade because I'm just weird like that. Probably should be rinsing it. But that's okay. We'll just give all of this to the hubby. Shh, don't tell him. Alright, so now we have a carrot. And, oh, did you see that? What? Now let's see if I can get some rhythm. So it's really up to you. Actually, I ended up holding it like this. It's kind of up to you how you want to do this, but it does go through pretty swiftly. Like, let's see. Okay. That's not item number 2. It gets a plus. This blade must be super sharp. What else did they accuse us of cutting? Why did another paper say something about cutting something? This is why we don't read instructions. Okay, anyway. Let's check out, oh, well, you know the cucumber gonna be nice. Let's see. Look at that. Oh, look. I got it. You just got to be careful not to, oh, it's supposed to chop. That's the other thing we're supposed to be able to do. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's going straight through. Do y'all see that? I'm not even struggling. I've seen people use this and they struggle. Nope. Went right through. So that's a cute, and you know, fruit and vegetables are pretty hard products to deal with. Let's see what happened to this green pepper. I probably should clean my board more, but we're just going to make the husband a salad. We're just going to make him a salad after this. Shh, don't tell him. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can, well, maybe I got to do it, get it started. I'm not mad at it. Dude, will this be my go-to knife is, I guess, the question. I don't know. But you can cut pretty good through things. Oh, this would cut. Oh, it said something about a piece of chicken. I'm going to get a piece of chicken. Now, let's see. Oh, yeah. That's good. Watch. Let's see. If you could get used to the handle and the limitations of stopping right there, it's pretty good. One more. Let's just do one more. Okay, so my technique, you guys. I figured out a technique already. Chop, push. Chop, push. So it's going through a little quicker than I was. You just got to get used to the awkwardness. If you want to slice, you're supposed to roll back, forward, and you just got to use your other finger to kind of guide. That's beautiful. Alright, I've got to try one more thing. So I already rinsed my knife, ladies and gentlemen. We're back with a little chicken tender here. Because you know the ultimate test, I didn't have steak. The hubby didn't record this, but we got down earlier on the grill. Y'all know what I'm saying? We was getting it in. But anyway, back to this. Okay, so we got a piece of chicken tender here. And the other thing it had on there was how nice it sliced a piece of meat. So I'm using my fork. Actually, I'm feeling like, okay, it just depends on how you have it. When I'm coming back towards myself, I feel like I'm getting a cleaner slice. When I'm going forward, oh, that's cool. But I feel like going backwards. Look how it just goes through that meat. It's no struggle to it at all. For all the moms who have to chop up your kids' food, this might be worth it. Might be worth it. Now, I do see why, though. You definitely want to take the blades off and clean it. Because remember, it's constantly rolling. So all the sides are going through your food. That might be the only thing that is a little shaky. And after you're done, of course, it goes in here. I'm not going to put it in here because we need to wash this. But it also came along with this pastry. So if y'all want to pause while I pull, let me actually pull this out on here so y'all can see how easy it comes out. Mind you, this is my first time in use with this as well. So you unlock it with the orange latches. And then you slide these sides off. On the screen, it calls it A and B. Oh, okay. And then once you do that, you also have, ta-da! And now I'm assuming you want to be pretty careful in how you do this. What's going on? Let me see.
Leave that on.
No, you don't leave this part. Well, you got to take that off to put that on. Here's the second thing that I might not agree with on this. Because this blade is super sharp. We're going to leave that there. This right here is called the pastry knife. As you see, not as sharp. Oh, it went inside. Sorry. So, we put that. I wonder how much trouble I'm going to have putting this back on the sharper one. Because like I said, this is not that sharp. Put this in the track here. Okay. Okay, you gotta make sure it's lined up. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I was gonna try to be fancy with you guys and get a little pastry and use the pastry part of the knife, and we're disappointed. So we took it apart to switch the blades, which we learned later that this is to cover the blade while you're switching it in and out. But we can't get our little handle back on. I don't know how much muscle you need. I had to call the hubby and see if we could get these muscles together to put this back. So I can't show y'all the pastry. So, at the end, thumbs up or thumbs down? Honestly, I gotta go half. When it was cutting, it was a beautiful thing. But after thinking about how much you might have to struggle to put the blade in and out, it's definitely not safe for kids. Because of the rounded blade, you got to be a bit of a professional. And if you're clumsy, I wouldn't advise that you use it either. Because we were even thinking about how, now that we took this apart, how are we going to get our beautiful blade back in to use it again. So we're giving this a half, while I am. Maybe hubby, when he do one of his cook videos, he'll use it and maybe have a different opinion. But right now, only reason my hang up is that I can't, it's not easy to put back together. And you guys know that we have to wash our knives after we use them. So, that will be the conclusion of our video of the Samurai 360. I'm sorry, I just love doing that. It's funny to me. Anyway, so ladies and gentlemen, y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what y'all gotta do. Hit that like button. Hit that bell over there so that y'all can get our notifications. Y'all know that this will probably get a little sneak peek on our vlog channel, but always don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Follow us on Instagram at The Real Nesters with an S. Also on Twitter and Facebook. Y'all know how to do it. As always, thank you for spending this time with me. I appreciate y'all, you guys. Have a great day. Peace.